Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. I have neglected to come outside all day long Sunday, and holy smokes, we were only supposed to get a couple inches of snow. But anyway, I have neglected to come out here and shovel off the panels. Look at this stuff. So, this is crazy. I gotta knock those icicles away. And, surprise, there's a foot on there. I haven't dusted them off in the last couple days, but yeah, it's going to snow tomorrow, so I got to get these tonight. This is absurd. They weren't this bad last night. All right, you have fun. Have a nice sunny day.